Lady or girl, woman, she is. E. She is a person. She is positive. She is. Question, switch. Is she? Is she a doctor? Professions. Waiter. He is a waiter. No, he. She. She is a waitress. What? A. Way. Ch. Wait. Waiter. E. Waitress. 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 Remember TR together? Ch. Waitress. Waitress. Repeat. Waitress. Very good. Waitress. She is a waitress. Let's practice. Are you a waitress?
No, I'm not a waitress.
Remember, no, I'm not. Question, are you a waitress? Respond. Very good. Question, is she a waitress? Question.
Yes, she's a waitress.
Yes, she is. Together, she's. Sh, E, she, she's. She's a waitress. Question, is she a waitress? Respond. Very good. Profession, housekeeper. Ow, how. S, house. House. K, key. Keep. Keeper. House. Keeper. Housekeeper. Pronunciation, housekeeper. Repeat. Very good. She's a housekeeper. Are you a housekeeper?
No, I'm not a housekeeper.
Are you a housekeeper? Respond. Very good. Question, is she? Is she a housekeeper?
Yes, she's a housekeeper.
That's right, positive. Yes, she's a housekeeper. Question, is she a housekeeper? Respond. Very good. Profession, nurse. 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 She's a nurse. Nurse. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Are you a nurse?
No, I'm not a nurse.
Question, are you a nurse? Respond. Very good. Question, is she a nurse?
Yes, she's a nurse.
That's right. Yes, she's a nurse. Question, is she a nurse? Respond. Very good. Profession, cook. Cook. So remember, not cook. Cook. She's a cook. Cook. Repeat. Cook. Very good. Are you a cook?
No, I'm not a cook.
That's right, negative. No, I'm not. Are you a cook? Respond. Very good. Question, is she a cook?
Yes, she's a cook.
That's right, yes, she's a cook. Question, is she a cook? Respond. That's right. Profession, gardener. G. Ga. Gar. D. Guard. gardener. Together. Gardener. Gardener. Repeat. Gardener. Very good. She's a gardener. Question. Are you a gardener?
No, I'm not a gardener.
Are you a gardener? Respond. Very good. Is she a gardener?
Yes, she's a gardener.
Is she a gardener? Respond. Good job. Let's practice professions. Waitress. Are you a waitress?
No, I'm not a waitress. She's a waitress.
Very good. Question. Are you a waitress? Respond. Very good. Is she a waitress? Respond. Very good. Gardener. Are you a gardener?
No, I'm not a gardener. She's a gardener.
Are you a gardener? Respond. Very good. Is she a gardener? Respond. Very good. Cook. Are you a cook?
No, I'm not a cook. She's a cook.
Very good. Are you a cook? Respond. Very good. Is she a cook? Respond. Very good. Housekeeper. Housekeeper. Are you a housekeeper?
No, I'm not a housekeeper. She's a housekeeper.
That's right. She's a housekeeper. Are you a housekeeper? Respond. Very good. Is she a housekeeper? Respond. Very good. Pilot. Are you a pilot?
No, I'm not a pilot. She's a pilot.
Very good. Are you a pilot? Respond. Very good. Is she a pilot? Respond. Very good. Nurse. Are you a nurse?
No, I'm not a nurse. She's a nurse.
Question. Are you a nurse? Respond. Question. Is she a nurse? Respond. Very good. Let's practice questions. Remember, positive, she is. Question, switch. Switch. Is she? Make a question. A pilot.
Is she a pilot?
Yes, she is. Make a question. A pilot. Yes, she is. Make a question. A nurse.
Is she a nurse?
Yes, she is. Make a question. A nurse. Yes, she is. Make a question. A cook.
Is she a cook?
Yes, she is. Make a question. A cook. Yes, she is. Make a question. A housekeeper.
Is she a housekeeper?
Yes, she is. Make a question. A housekeeper. Yes, she is. Question. Is he a doctor? No, he's not a doctor. He's a cook. Complete negative. No, he's not a doctor. Short. No, he's not. Negative. No. Negative. Not. Together. No, he's not. Repeat. No, he's not. Very good. Question. Is he a doctor?
No, he's not.
Very good. Question. Is he a doctor? Respond. Very good. Question. Is he a doctor?
No, he's not.
That's right. Question. Is he a doctor? Respond. Question. Is he a dentist?
No, he's not.
Very good. Is he a dentist? Respond. That's right. He's not a dentist. He's not a doctor. He's a mechanic. me, k, mek, a, mecat, mecan, mechanic, mechanic. He's a mechanic. Is he a mechanic?
Yes, he is a mechanic.
Question, is he a mechanic? Respond. Good job. Question, is she a doctor? Respond negative. No, she's not. No, she's not. Respond. No, she's not. Very good. Question, is she a cook?
No, she's not.
Is she a cook? Respond. Very good. Is she a waitress?
No, she's not.
Is she a waitress? Respond. That's right. She's not a waitress. She's not a cook. She's a vet. 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 Veterinarian, for short, vet. Is she a vet?
Yes, she's a vet.
Is she a vet? Respond. Very good.